Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to download WhatsApp stories like photos and videos. For example, if you have seen one of friends photos and videos and you want to download that story, for this you don't have to need an app. You have to see this video completely. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe this channel. For this you have to go to your file manager or my files and go to settings of my files or file manager. After that you have to click on show hidden files so that your hidden files can be shown. After that you have to go to internal storage. In internal storage you have to go to WhatsApp. In WhatsApp folder you have to go to media folder. In media folder you can easily find all the statuses you have seen, and you can easily copy that WhatsApp status like photo and video and paste it into another folder so that you can easily save it or download it. So if you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.